Nothing too out of the ordinary right now, and just to set your bearings on the next 7 days, it's ordinary summer, low to mid 90s. Heat index is up over 100, rain chances very slim. So after the last couple of months of wet weather, we've gone into a dry weather pattern, and we're stuck in it for a while. Outside right now, current temps, Bush 94, Hobby 91, Columbus is 90, and for example, when you add in the humidity, it feels to your body like it's 101. So it feels about 10 degrees warmer out there than the actual air temperature when you add in the factor of the humidity, and that slows down your body's ability to cool itself. So Fan Fest, I think they're lighting up there. They're watching a game that's going on right now, or one's about to start, I'm not sure. But a fun place to be. Just make sure you're drinking water, staying cool, and you'll do that again tomorrow, whether you're out at the fest or just outside playing in the yard. We'll be in the 90s. It'll feel like it's above 100 in the afternoon. That continues. Radar is quiet. We've had puffy cumulus clouds, but that's it. And when we zoom out, it's interesting. We're getting rain and some thunder in Texas and Oklahoma, but it's right along the edge, the outer edge of our heat dome. So this is where we have sinking air that's pressing down on the atmosphere, and that just zaps any type of vertical motion, which is what we need to get rain going. But on the edge, around the edge of the flow, around those high pressure domes, those heat domes, we often call it the ring of fire, and that's because we can get thunderstorms firing there. So we have those storms there now, but as they try to sneak further south and actually get under the influence of the heat dome, they vanish. So none of that is forecast to get into Houston. And as we look at the next 24 hours, this is tomorrow morning, look at where the rain forms. Out there on the edge of that dome, and it stays there all day long. We never get any of that rain because we are under the influence of the dome. Although the center of it, that's where the worst of the heat is. We're under its influence here, but we're not under the center of it. When you get under the center, when it gets right over the top of you, that's when you see temperatures, actual air temperatures, get to triple digits. And that's what they're forecasting for West Texas tomorrow and on Thursday, while we will stay under the edge, which is not as bad, but it's still summertime hot, 94 the high temp on Thursday. So tomorrow 95, feeling like 105 in the afternoon with no rain expected. Tropics have gone to sleep. They are as quiet as a mouse. Hurricane Center says no tropical development over the next 7 days. We will just continue to do what we do, which is take it one day at a time. Make sure you're getting a tropical update at least once a day in case something tries to surprise out there. It's unlikely, though, because a couple of things. We're just covered in dust out here. That's at about 5,000 feet. The dust is a layer of sinking dry air, the opposite of what you need to get tropical stuff going. So that covers the Atlantic Basin through Friday. And then look at this. Going into Sunday, Monday, some of that dust gets into southeast Texas, Houston. If that forecast verifies, our skies will become hazy, very noticeably hazy, with Saharan dust arriving. That's normal this time of the year, too. Here's the extended then. Other than some dust, no significant changes over the next 7 days. Hot and humid. Lows near 80, highs in the low to mid 90s. Heat index is over 100, and very slim rain chances, if at all.